Welcome to my creative YouTube channel. Today we will see how to create a fixed neighbor using just HTML and CSS. Yeah, let's get started. First of all, we just create a folder, name as you wish. I just name it as fixed navbar. Okay. Then in that folder, I used to create two files. Yeah, we just see new file. Yeah, text document. We name it as index.html and another file name it as styles.css. Okay, yeah, I used to code using Visual Studio. Yeah, just open Visual Studio. Yeah, open particular folder, open folder, select the folder on your particular path. Yeah, I just kept it on desktop, fixed navbar. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, now let's start. Yeah, I generally used to do using live servers. I installed before. Use live server SCRVR. Yeah, it's got live. Next, we start coding in HTML. Yeah, nothing is there, so it got empty. Open index.html file. Start. Yeah, basic doc type. HTML. Open close. In that we take head. Okay, in header we take a title. Okay, title we just name it as welcome to my channel. Okay, next we have to link CSS. Link is equal to style sheet where href styles.css. Yeah, now open body tag body. Okay, yes, now open a div. Yeah, we just take a class for unordered list. I am doing this in using the concept of list. Unordered list ul. Yes, before ul we will take a class. Class is equal to navbar. Okay, in unordered list we will take list. In this we can display some items in the left and some navbar icons in the right. I was writing for two different types. Yes, let's get started. Let's start with li list. For that I am giving a class is equal to li1 href is equal to nothing. Just close. Take it home. Yeah, I just copy the same content. About it, and another one we take as block. It's done. And one more one we take it as contact contact us. Yeah, this is for the normal header reference icons. And now I am going to take drop down li class is equal to drop down f is equal to drop down f is equal to has, let's name it as drop down 1, next in drop down we are going to take some content. Div class is equal to drop down content here we will take li this will take a header reference is equal to nothing, close, int is drop down, copy the same content, paste it. Yeah, okay, it's done. Let's div close, like close. Next we will take one more drop down, just copy the content and paste it here. Okay, close ul2. Yeah, drop downs are completed, and we will just take a small image so that it will be clear for us that the everything is clear to see it is fixed or not. Just let us take a small image with some content on it. Yeah, just open div img image source is equal to, I have an image in this folder ai4.jpg. yeah, okay, close, and we just place some content on the image. For that I am using one more class, I named it as text class. Now div class is equal to text block, text block. Next we just write some lines. h1 name it as welcome to my channel. One more, h1 please like and subscribe. One more, h1 to get notifications of my videos. Yeah, now HTML is completed. Let's just check. Yeah, let's check the output, how it is coming. Yeah, it's coming this way because we didn't write CSS for this one. Now let's get started with CSS. Yeah, just write for body margin 0, Next, for I'm going to write now for UL. For UL, list hyphen style type is equal to none, nothing. Next, font family Arial. For this, no margin is 0. Padding 10 px. Background color is equal to RGB, just taking numbers 118, 10 to 41. It comes purple. Text decoration nothing, so I'm giving it as none. Position, I'm giving it as fixed. If I give here as absolute, the position will be absolute and will it will move when we move the page with the page. Fixed. Top 0, I'm now using nothing, and width is equal to 100%. Yeah, it's done. Now I will write for li float is equal to left. Here I take it as right. Float is equal to right. Margin 10 px. Font weight bold. Yeah, now I will write for, I had taken one more class called li1 for left-sided, but left sided content. For that, float is equal to left, font weight bold, and now add font weight is equal to bold. Okay, next I taken it li last child, border is equal to none, and for drop down button, display inline block, color, text align, center alignment, and padding for width and height, text decoration, and border radius. And after that I did this for hover, for drop down button, where we get red color as a hover. Let's see, for example, yeah, this is hover. For this we have written that code, hover, that fits the width of the content. Next, if we change it auto, it will change from different formats. Next, like drop down, this will be inline block, and drop down content. This CSS is for this one. This CSS is for this one, where where the display is none, position is absolute. If we place a position is fixed, the content will be fixed in that particular position, so that I taken as absolute, and background color will be white for content, maximum width, and block shadows, z index value, and this content is for header reference tag, color black, padding and text decoration is nothing, none, display block, and alignment is it aligns to left side. Coming to drop down content, background color will be drop down content and hover, background color will be red for both. Drop down hover and drop down content, display block will be nothing, it will be in the block state. Next, this is for image. For the image, the maximum width of the image is 100%, and height will be 120 VH. And this text block, this CSS is particularly for this one, this text block, where the position is absolute. Yeah, I wrote it before, I think so. No. Yeah, block is absolute, and padding from bottom is 20, and from right will be 30, so that it will come into the center position. and background color will be inherit, so that it inherits the background color, and the image will be clear to visualize. And text alignment will be center, color of the font will be white, and font weight will be bold, so that now you will get the output will be like home, about us, hover applying, next blog, drop down one, it is aligned to the left side, drop down to align to the left side, content cells, contact cells, that one, and this is the image, and here the here this one is not the header is fixed where I am moving the image and the below content moves, but the header will be fixed, the navbar will be fixed. Thank you for watching this video. I am giving the code in the description for the better use of users. Please like, share and subscribe my video. If you have any requirement related to web development and other technologies, please post a comment so that I will upload related videos for you. Thank you. Please share and subscribe my creative channel. Thank you.